Got this Yukon Denali. Basically, it's got a Bose system. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And basically, right there, this is a power. I'm gonna run it through there to these booths, the grommet, and I'm gonna take a 1/2 inch right here out. As you can see, I got this all wrapped, so it's not gonna touch any ground, anything. Put everything back together. Of course, I had to climb up here, and it's dirty, so I had to put a towel right there and run it through there. I'm gonna start cutting this piece right there because I didn't tie it at minute. See the booth right there? So I ran the amp through here, there, underneath there, and I tap a fuse right there to the second one right there next to that 10 amp right there. And we'll run it all the way to the back. We got power, and I got the ground out here, power here, and put the speaker, the remote that came from the fuse go right here, and then the ground and the power from the battery, and the RCA jack. And I got the amp's gonna be right in here, right inside there, and you want a gray black to the positive, and I believe blue gray or blue black is to the negative. That's for your line out converter. The line out converter I use is Lock 2. Oh, this truck does not have A and C because it is a Bose system.